Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the intersection of nature and urban planning in the heart of Orlando's tourism district. While the area is famous for its still towers, it is also a showcase of tropical landscaping and water management. The various lakes and fountains you see are more than decorative. They're part of a sophisticated stormwater management system designed to handle Florida's intense rainfall. The vegetation consists of native and adaptive species such as sabal palms and live oaks, which are chosen for their resilience and their ability to provide shade in the subtropical climate. The City Beautiful movement, which began in the early 20th century, continues to influence the design of these public spaces, emphasizing the importance of park and green corridors within a high-density urban environment. This philosophy is evident in the way the walkways are integrated with the natural landscape. The development of this area follows a mixed-use master plan, which integrates entertainment, retail, and residential spaces to create a more functional urban core. This approach reduces the reliance on long-distance travel and encourages pedestrian activity, which is a significant shift for a city that grew up around the automobile. You're walking through an area that serves as a case study for pacemaking, the art of creating high-quality public spaces that people want to spend time in. The materials used for the walkways, the placement of the seating, and the orientation of the buildings are all calculated to maximize human comfort and social interaction. This district also benefits from its proximity to the Florida aquifer, which provides the water for the region's famous springs and lakes. The preservation of these natural resources is a key part of Orlando's long-term sustainable goals, even as the city continues to expand. As you conclude this tour, you can see how the balance between high-tech attractions and natural beauty creates a unique Florida experience. The integration of porous pavements and rain gardens help to filter runoff before it enters the local water table, showcasing an environmental conscious approach to heavier development. This balance is critical for the long-term health of the region's unique ecosystem. For now, I want you to settle in, find your rhythm, and enjoy the walk through this peaceful and thoughtfully planned urban sanctuary. This is the hidden foundation that makes the rest of the magic possible.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.